Weather Authority Chief Meteorologist Dan, how are you looking out there as we approach the weekend?
Well, hard to believe, Sally, just a few days ago, we've already had 5 more named tropical systems since then, Veronica. This is the list that we normally go through during the year, and it goes all the way to W, and most of the time, we don't make it all the way. But this year, we have made it to W. In fact, we've made it past W, and now we're into the Greek alphabet. That's where you go when you run out of names. And hopefully we don't make it through the Greek alphabet because I don't think there's a plan after that. But it's been a very busy tropical cyclone season. Right now, active storms, Teddy, Wilfred, Beta, still going on. Let's take a look at some of these storms. What even happened to Vicky? What even happened to Alpha? I can show you that here. Here was Alpha. This one was just named yesterday into today. And this right here is the Iberian Peninsula in Europe, Spain, Portugal, right? Okay, so Alpha, a subtropical storm, made landfall north of Lisbon earlier. Vicky, the remnants right here. There's the W storm Wilfred off the Cabo Verde Islands, which is off of Africa. Here's Teddy, a major hurricane spinning headed toward Bermuda. The remnants of Sally moving off the northeast. And the one that does make some threat to the United States. This is Tropical Storm Beta. This is a new one formed today, right now. Still a tropical storm, 40 miles per hour. Moving to the north-northeast, but expected to make that westerly turn as we head into the day tomorrow and eventually become a hurricane as it approaches the Texas coast. Maybe some good news. The models are then carrying it up and away, but it's still a ways out. Another landfalling tropical storm this year? Hopefully not, but we'll be keeping an eye on it for you. West Coast. No tropical systems. We had some tropical moisture streaming in last night, but that's pretty much gone. That weather system passing by. We'll have a few more of these weather systems passing by over the next week. We're starting to get to that time of year where it becomes a little bit more active. We're not just stuck under a big ridge of high pressure. We get some stuff moving by. Now, they don't usually affect us all that much. Brings rain to Northern California, up into the Pacific Northwest, and no rain here. You might have had a couple of sprinkles last night, but that's about it. But it's going to keep the weather a little bit mixed up and actually really pleasant for the rest of the week. Right now, warm temperatures, a little cool in Monterey at 65, but it's 80 in Santa Cruz, 74 in Watsonville. Inland, a little bit warmer, but not too hot. And as we head out the door tomorrow morning, we'll see patchy low clouds. They'll return tonight and then be patchy tomorrow morning. Don't expect a lot of widespread cloud cover. And then as we head throughout the day tomorrow, lots of sunshine expected. So it should be a pretty nice Saturday out there. Temperatures at or maybe even a touch warm for this time of year in some cases. Here's what you can expect across Santa Cruz County. 80s up in the mountains, closing in on 90 degrees in Boulder Creek. 80 in Santa Cruz again tomorrow. 76 in Capitola with 70s in Aptos, Watsonville, Prunedale into Salinas. 80s in San Juan Bautista tomorrow. 68 in Castroville, still good for the artichokes. Marina, very comfortable as well in the 60s. We'll stay in the 60s in Monterey and Seaside. Carmel, a little warmer at 74 as we get more of a northerly breeze there. And then down the coast, a warm day in Big Sur, I suspect, at 85 degrees. Carmel Valley in the 80s as well, same in King City tomorrow. But over the next 7 days, as I mentioned, temperatures staying pretty seasonable. We'll have a few passing systems, so that may mix up the wind a lot. I'm not expecting any extreme wind on the coast, but occasionally will be some breezy conditions, and we'll see a few fleets of low clouds roll through at times and a couple high clouds to color up our sunsets. Really looks like a pretty nice 7-day forecast, honestly. And inland areas will have the winds in the valleys in the afternoon, but lots of sunshine as well. A few passing high clouds here and there, maybe some fog in the valleys in the mornings, but really this is the golden season for us here on the Central Coast. And yeah, it's our transition into fall, which astronomically begins at 6:31 a.m. Tuesday morning.